In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move TurboTax to another computer. If you've changed computers or simply want to continue your taxes somewhere new, the key is to bring last year's TurboTax return into your current setup so you don't have to retype your personal details, carryovers, and other information. Before we begin, make sure you have a copy of last year's TurboTax data file on the computer you're using now. It usually has a .tax extension with the tax year in the name, and it's often found in your documents or a TurboTax folder. Once you're in TurboTax, look to the left side menu and click on Tax Tools. This opens a panel with helpful utilities that handle things like transfers and setup tasks. If you don't immediately see the menu, try expanding the sidebar or scrolling a bit. The Tax Tools section is typically toward the lower portion of the navigation. Next, click on Tools. This brings up the Tools window, which is essentially your control center for moving data and managing your return. It's a good moment to glance at the top of the screen and confirm you're in the correct tax year for the return you're preparing now. That ensures everything you bring in lines up correctly with the current forms and settings. In the Tools window, select Transfer last year's TurboTax return from your computer. This is where you'll point TurboTax to your saved file. TurboTax will prompt you to browse to the location of that file. Look for something like .taxt or .taxtopic depending on which year you're importing from. If you're unsure where it is, check your Documents folder or any backup location you used when you moved files to this computer. When you select the file, TurboTax will begin reading in your prior year information, including basics like your name and address, filing status, and, when available, W-2 and 1099 details, state data, and key carryovers such as capital losses or education credits. Not every field can transfer perfectly, but this step typically saves a lot of time. Finally, click on Continue to confirm the import. You may see a short progress spinner while your data comes across. When it's finished, you'll land back in your return with those details pre-filled. Take a quick look through your personal info and any imported entries to ensure everything looks accurate and up to date. If something seems off, you can adjust it right in the return. And that's it. By using Tax Tools, Transfer, and Continue, you've effectively moved TurboTax to another computer and carried over the essentials you need to keep going smoothly.